going on, guys? It's the Lunson, aka Bounty Hunter Lunson, and today we got another mukbang coming right back at you. Yes, you that is watching through the screen. But today we got a special mukbang, and y'all might think I'm a disgrace to the Mexicans for doing this, but hey, this might be something new. Mac and cheese tacos, guys. Got the ground beef, some cheese, mac and cheese in there. Whew. It didn't take that long to make. I just cooked up some ground beef in a pan. Put some seasoning in there, some taco seasoning and some other seasonings like black pepper, lemon pepper, and garlic pepper. Only a little bit though. You guys can have the first bite. By the way, I got water right here. Alright, cheers, guys. It's kind of hit different. Yo. I mean, there's this thing called spaghetti tacos from my Carly. Got some mac and cheese tacos. I can see this being on a menu at a soul food restaurant for sure, bro. I can definitely be seeing that. Just pull up to a soul food spot and you see mac and cheese tacos on the menu, and you're wondering, scratching your head saying, what is that? And you get it, and it's this. And look, it tastes so good, guys. I know you can. I know y'all just heard the BK commercial. Sorry I've been lacking on the post, guys. I've been really busy with some personal stuff and with school. I'm trying to lock in at school because my grades aren't good at the moment. Do that. And I topped this off with black pepper too, if you didn't see that already. I'm a spicy guy. I would have even put, what is it called? Red chili flakes, on this, but I don't want to make it, like, too spicy, though. I ain't the Spice King, alright? I've been busy, so I was just thinking to do a quick little mukbang for you guys. Dang, this one doesn't have much mac and cheese. My dad burped, and he's in the kitchen. I can imagine Taco Bell making something like this. I don't really think it'll be as good, but if this was like a soul food restaurant, maybe it'll be good. I don't know. But if you guys want to try this yourself, use any mac and cheese you want. Get some ground beef, throw it in a skillet, Get any taco seasoning you want, any other seasonings you want. Get some taco shells and just make it. This is really good. Oh, good. These are so freaking good. I only have 3. This was a really good one. This is so good. I can definitely see one of the food curators, like dang, I forgot his name, and maybe Tommy Winkler. I think I'm saying it right. Don't hate on me because if I'm saying it wrong, but I can definitely see him like trying to make this and attempt it. This shit slaps. It's so good. I know I'm eating kind of quick and I'm not really talking. That's because I'm going to be busy. I got something to do in 30 minutes. Gotta do some chores and stuff. And some homework. That's why I just wanted to throw a quick little mukbang at you guys. See, look at that. Last bite, guys. Those were incredible. Out of this world. Oh. Wow. Definitely gonna need some napkins. I'm gonna have to go wash my hands. But, anyways, if you guys like this mukbang, please make sure and please remember to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe with post notifications, and if you haven't already, please follow me on Instagram, which will be on the screen right now. And if you want the link, it will be down in the description box below. So that's going to be it for today's mukbang. I know it was short, but I got some things to do. Got some errands to do. So, I don't know when the next upload's coming out because, like I said, I am busy. But anyways, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one.